Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've spent days investigating one of the most tragic stories to come out of the crypto world this year, the death of Konstantin Galic, a crypto influencer whose life and career unraveled in the aftermath of the October market crash. This story isn't just about one man, but about the mental, emotional, and financial toll of the volatile crypto world and the platforms that profit from it. Konstantin Galic, known online as Kostya Kudo, was a Ukrainian content creator and trader who built a following discussing crypto projects, NFTs, and trading psychology. His tone was educational but personal. He often warned his followers not to risk what they couldn't afford to lose. Ironically, those very warnings became the backdrop of his final days. Friends describe him as calm, analytical, and passionate about blockchain education. His videos had tens of thousands of views, and he frequently discussed exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Coinbase, reviewing tools and warning about scams. On October 10th to 11th, 2025, the crypto market experienced one of its worst drops since 2022. Bitcoin fell below $30,000 in hours. Ethereum and Solana lost nearly 20%. Exchanges like Binance and Coinbase faced massive liquidation waves. Reports show over $1.7 billion in leveraged positions were wiped out in a single day, mostly from retail investors. Galic had been trading heavily in futures, sharing screenshots of open positions just days before. In one of his final posts, he wrote, "The system isn't broken, I am." That line spread across X and Telegram after his death. Following the crash, attention turned to the exchanges. Binance and Coinbase both issued statements emphasizing risk management and reminding users to avoid excessive leverage. But critics argue that these disclaimers come too late, often after traders have lost everything. On social platforms, hashtags like #BinanceCrash and #CryptoResponsibility trended for days, with users calling for more transparent leverage warnings and mandatory mental health prompts for high-risk traders. Across X, Reddit, and Telegram, the story of Galic's death spread fast, often faster than verified information. Some influencers shared condolences. Others used the tragedy to promote anti-exchange narratives or conspiracy theories. Reddit moderators locked several threads due to graphic speculation. Discord servers dedicated to crypto education added disclaimers urging members to seek help if they felt overwhelmed by losses. The community's grief also reignited discussions about influencer responsibility in financial spaces and whether social media platforms should intervene when creators express distress. This tragedy highlights an uncomfortable truth. Crypto isn't just financial, it's psychological. The 24/7 market, constant volatility, and social pressure to win big have created what some call the dopamine economy. Psychologists say trading addiction shares traits with gambling: frequent rewards, emotional highs and lows, and public validation through likes and followers. In Galic's case, friends said he hadn't slept in days before the crash, monitoring every chart tick. That exhaustion can distort judgment and destroy mental balance. Authorities in Kiev closed the initial investigation within 48 hours, citing no evidence of foul play. Friends and colleagues organized a digital memorial livestream, attended by hundreds. Binance and Coinbase released follow-up statements expressing condolences and reaffirming their commitment to user safety. Still, critics say the broader issue remains. Platforms encourage high-risk trading, but do little to support mental health awareness or financial education. Konstantin Galic's story isn't just about crypto, it's about humanity. Behind every market chart is a person chasing meaning, stability, and hope. The lesson here is simple but urgent. Our digital economies need emotional safety nets as much as financial ones. If you found this investigation helpful, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reports. And if you're struggling, please, talk to someone. You're never trading alone.